Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your facial features? Do you wish you had a more defined and chiseled jawline? If so, you're not alone. Many people strive for a sharp and sculpted jawline, as it can enhance the overall appearance of their face and boost their confidence. Luckily, there are exercises you can do to achieve a more defined jawline. In this video, we will explore 6 exercises that can help you get the sharp jawline you desire. 1. Neck curl up. Kind of like ab crunches but for your neck. Neck curl-ups are done lying down on your back with your tongue pushing onto the roof of your mouth. This will activate the front neck muscles. At first, you can start by doing 3 sets for 10 reps and progressively up the ante. Bring your chin up to your chest and then lift your head about 3 cm off the ground. Don't lift your stomach and don't poke your chin out and repeat it. Remember to take it easy and take your time when starting this exercise. It can be quite strenuous on muscles that are underdeveloped and can cause neck strain if you go too hard and too fast. 2. Clench and release. At first, you'll feel discomfort and a subtle burn when clenching and realizing. But no pain, no gain. But with time and progression, you should increase the amount of time you're clenching, the number of reps and the number of reps. This will encourage your jaw to continue toning. Teeth grinding, aka clenching your jaw for 10 seconds or more before releasing it, is another exercise to follow. Doing 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps is a great start. And interestingly, jaw clenching is of the 6 exercises that can be easily fit into your daily routine. Because it isn't as apparent and silly as other jaw-strengthening exercises, it's something you can do when driving the car or whilst casually watching TV. 3. Collarbone backup. Whether you're lying down, standing, or seated, the collarbone backup will activate and exercise the muscles beneath your chin. Start with 3 sets of 10 reps and hold the position for 30 seconds. When it gets easy, hold the position longer and always practice a punctual rate of holding the position. While keeping your head leveled with the ground, slowly move it back until you feel muscles on either side of your throat contract. Return to the initial position, relax and repeat. Be sure that your ears stay over your shoulders and your head stays level. 4. Tongue twister. The tongue twister is another easy jawline exercise on this list. Simply push your tongue onto the roof of your mouth, but make sure it's behind your teeth. Apply pressure with your tongue to close off the roof of your mouth. Start humming and making a vibrating sound while doing steps 1 and 2. This activates the jaw and neck muscles. Thanks for watching.